Good day, everybody. Kazi here, and welcome back to the world of Dragoness. Okay, sorry for the not consistent daily uploads. Yeah, because I'm trying to fix my place, and yes, it's a mess, especially the rain. So it messed me up, but we're back. And we are now back in the blizzard plains, and I thought we are done with the snow. We're back in it, boys and girls. Let me check. Yes, I'm recording. So we're greeted with these two people, and let's see what's up. Yo, Bram, Devon, what happened?
기도를 게을리하지 말게.
Hey, get your mind straight. Cleric Devon was talking to a fallen cleric on the ground. Mr. Devon, we meet again. Mr. Devon, we meet again. At a place like this? How did this person get hurt? The injury is so bad, he's bleeding. It's impossible to take back Manor. This situation has made known to Saint Haven. Saint Haven? Wait. I knew Manor Ridge was taking over, but I didn't expect the situation to be that bad. I am Kaziwaruno. Please tell me if there's anything I could help. Yes, I am the protagonist. Wow, you are Kaziwaruno? I heard that you are very skilled from Eltia. Yes, I am very skilled. After dying so many times last episode. So, I am Bran. I was attacked on the way to deliver the news that Eltia was captured. Oh no! Eltia is trapped in the North Blizzard Plain. Please save. Bram fell unconscious after speaking. Oh dear gosh, his wounds are too bad. It's commendable that he was able to withstand until now. Since it's dangerous here, I will look after this friend. Adventurer, please go and save Eltia. I'm counting on you. Don't worry, Cleric Devon. I'm on my way. Oi! Where's Eltia? Speaking son of guns. The enemy. Yes, it is I. Where is she? Give. Freaking give her. Give me Eltia. Come on. Where's Eltia? Freaking give me Eltia? Huh? Where's she? Show. Come on. No way. Yes way. I whoop you. Oh, archerettes. Oh, my fellow, go away. Thank you. Do not disturb our conversation. Oh, archerettes. Hello there. Hang on, Eltia. I will go save you. What happened? I heard that Eltia was in trouble and I didn't know it was this bad. And they even have a defense line at the Manor Ridge. At this sacred land. I cannot forgive bullying my friend. Please get rid of those unforgivable orcs. Okie dokie, my friend. Hello, Elf Donna. What seems to be the problem? Oh wow, a lot. Now I see dragon followers! Whoa. It's the adventure. Whoa! When was the last time I saw an adventure? Yeah, I'm Mil Eltia. Where are you coming from? The monsters have taken over the roads and it would have been easy to get here. What? You just fought through? Wow! You are really great. Then you can defeat the monsters occupying the road here, right? Can you? Thank you so much. Okay. I think this one is the bowmaster and the other one is the acrobatics. I know my archers. Oh, it's so loud! You hear them? They are barking all day. I dislike the armored orcs setting up the base right above. But those hounds, they bring around even are the worst words can speak in me. I'm sorry. I really hate the barking sounds. I just really hate those noisy things. Please get rid of them. I feel you, Donna. I feel you. A lot of dogs here barking constantly and consistently. Trouble! Trouble! Did you see those bone trolls and brews over there? They are just coming in, establishing a base. It's troubling because lands where monsters stay for so long become contaminated. Ah, you can easily dry them out, right? Can I ask you to take care of the ominous energy that they have brought here? No problem. I can do it. For my fellow sisters. Yeah, the left one is more on... The left one is the acrobatics and the right one is... No! Wait, I think I got it wrong because... Acrobatics don't usually have long hair. Oh, this is different. This is 2020. Who gives a care? Right? Who gives a care? I don't care. You do whatever you want with your hairstyle. Just make sure you're not gonna get hurt at the process, okay? Hairstyles. I have so many pending missions. So we're back in the snow and my sanity is slowly fading away. I love snow. I do not know why. I just love snow. Haven't seen snow in real life. Maybe it's for the better. I don't know. Man, if here in the tropical regions manage to snow, I will be both happy and scared because the tropical regions should never have snow. Like they should never seriously have snow. Yay, Kalina, run! No! Wait! You want me? Ah! Okay, got him. Run! 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 Back me up, girls! Back me up! Ah! Okay, what do we have here? Oh, intruder! Get him! In prison is eat good meat. What? I will not allow you to eat me. I am edible, but oh my goodness! Oh, leg! Somebody's ow! Where am I aiming? I don't know. The sun, the moon? I don't know. Hello, friend. Do you need assistance? Bang! Wait, that's not a player. That's an actual NPC. Clerics are dope. Look at this dude. Man, bang! I did not hit anything with that skill. Bang! I got kicked also. Man, that's dope. Like, you see the NPCs actually fighting. Like, oh dude, I forgot how awesome it is. Okay, how many more? 2 plain hounds. Yup. 2 more doggies. Come! Follow me into your demise! Protect prison. Oof! Oof! Must protect prison. Oof! Oh, that combo! Combo! Please leave me alone. Oh my goodness, leave me be! Far away enough, hopefully. Ow! No! Okay, I think that's enough. Eliminate unclean energy. Vaccination! Okay, eliminate blizzard plane armored orc and set fire. Eliminate blizzard plane. Whoop. I'm getting tired of the warmth of the heat. Set this camp ablaze. Ah, burn everything to the ground. Burn everything to the ground. Yeah. Explosion. Bang. Okay, now we burn. Burn everything. Okay, what do we got here? I'm getting tired from the warm heat. You're getting tired? You're not tropical at all, my friend. Should be heat proof. Something. I don't know. Okay. Now we go here. Oh my goodness. Lynch. Let me help you, Lynch. That is dope. Like NPCs really like bending each other. Oh. Pursue Eltia. Oh. Gather, come on. Gather. And you want to die that desperately? Yes? Yes. Do you want to die that desperately? Bang! Bang! Okay, got it. Okay, one more wave, one more wave. Woo! Come on, gather! Gather! Zoop. Gather for me, and you will see what I can do. Okay. Gather them in one pulp and eliminate them. Whoa! This guy is like nope. Okay, so Eltia locked in prison. Eltia, I'm here, Eltia. Adventure. How did you find out about this place? Well, my fellow sisters told me about it. A person named Brown also told me that you, Eltia, is confirmed here. Sir Bram, you escaped safely. It's really fortunate. Thank you for saving me. Whoa, what? Are you okay? Have you succeeded in purifying the sage's staff? Yup. Yes, it has been purified perfectly. It's even shiny. That's fortunate. We really needed that stamp handling right now. We need the sage's staff if we are to cross the boundaries around the manor, so we're waiting for Kazuha. The traitors expose our location to our enemies. So we are captured. The traitors are reading something at the table over there. Maybe it's the details related to their collision. Eltia, I'm concerned about your health. Are you okay? Are you seriously okay? Please documents. Scribble letters. My eyes. Wait, my eyes. Something. Okay, my eyes are cleared. Ancient magical abilities are far beyond the current humanity's level. The fact that they confirm by looking at the ancient barriers unfold across the manorage. The magical barrier has been installed around the columns around the manorage by putting the pieces of heart of manorage, which is the core of frost and mana. Ooh. When an artifact inherited from the ancient time touches the barrier's column, the core can be taken out to nullify the barrier. There is a written order struck in between the book. Protect the boundary pillar so that no one can enter. Oh, so that's why the enemy left me here. Even if we had the sage's staff, it's no use if we can get near the column. What should I do? Well, I have to go. Miss Rose is here at the manorage. Pardon? The prophet is at manorage right now? How could that be? So, it's a situation where you have to go, despite the dangers. Don't worry, I got thick legs. I'm thick boy. But, if it's you, the adventurer, you could do it. You have the sage's staff and went through all kinds of hardship. Yes. So much damage. So much hardship. So much pain. On your way, please look for the sorceress Kiana. Sorceress Kiana. I think she's from Saint Haven. She should be able to help you. Okay. Yeah, I think I remember she's from Saint Haven. The one with the nice wide forehead. Adventure, save me! Get bent up! Help me, please! Don't worry, my friend Lynch. I got you, boy. Got you, homie. Yo, boundaries, please. You boundaries. Enemies keep coming. Would you please freaking leave him alone? Leave him alone. Oh my goodness. You all want to die? I can move. Here's my daily dose of explosions and bang! I ran out. Hiya! Hurriya! Thank you, adventure. I think I did the hardest part. Yeah, you were fighting all the time, but dude, you are buff as heck. If you like continue fighting these guys, I bet you are really strong. Man, hold your ground, dude. You have held your ground. So these are the humans. Get them. Budging around. No, stop. What the fish? Are you okay? Ow, ow. Are you okay? Son of a guns. Gather for me. Yes, yes. And die. Yes. Oh, they all want to die for me. Ow, my health is the. So much damage. Just die. Oh my goodness, they got extinct. Okay, let's stick for range for the meantime. Frick, I didn't mean to press this. Okay. It heals automatically. Remember that. Remember that. We don't need to manually press it or accidentally press it. I have chubby fingers. Oh no! My health. This. Oh, big. I got potions. So powerful. I pick him. Freak you! Leave me alone. Explosion! Leg! No! My worst enemy. Oh, I ran out. Oh! Okay, I just need to eliminate the unclean energy. 3 more pieces. 3 more pieces of freaking unclean energy. No, 2 more pieces. And we run from the hills. We run from the hills. Come on. Give it to me. Run for the hills. Run. Run. Don't look back. Run. Oh, I need help. 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 I'm here. I'm here. I'm at the Mana Ridge. Oh. I saw Sorceress Kiana. Oh, I think it's Tiana, not Kiana. Hello, Miss Kiana.
넌 누구지?
Oh. Sorry, I can't get up. Who are you? Are you with those fallen ones? No. There's no need to be cautious, okay? My name is Kazuwaruno. I am an adventurer who came here to help Mana Ridge. Are you Miss Kiana? Lady Eltia told me about you. Huh. You're helping Mana Ridge by yourself. We can't even enter Mana Ridge because of the barrier. Nah, it's okay. I'm magic proof. I am magic proof. Something went in my eyes. Sorry. Oh, my eyes. Okay, I'm good now. It's okay. I have the Sage's Staff. What? You have the Sage's Staff? Now you have the reason why Elsia sent you. Good. Okay, listen well. Boundary pillars are set around Mana Ridge. If you disable those, the heart of Mana Ridge, which is the core barrier, will appear. It means that the barrier has weakened. Don't miss that chance and disable the barrier of the Mana Ridge. Oh, they're using their defense system against them. Oh. Ah! We're the remaining ones here! Resist! Either obey us or die. Let's talk to Kasha.
뭐야?
뭐야? Ryan is an idiot. Why is he doing difficult things all the time? Of course, it's not I'm worried baka. Sundari Kasha. How can one get that place alone? It's not I can follow. You! Wait, listen to me. Abandoned wooden fences are obstructing the path here. Can you break them, please? Ryan said he'd be going, but I'm worried. It's not like I'm worried about him, baka. For real. Why would I worry about a cleric? Anyway, I'm counting on you. You take care of it, baka. That's what I'm hearing from her. It's like, why would I care? It's not like I really care. Please. Look out. Please. Oh my goodness. The sorcerers are lovely. They may like be hard-boiled eggs outside, but they're good. They're good at heart. Though sometimes they're like being frank is annoying, but I think that's their charm. Like they're honest even though they say hurtful words. At least they're like honest to you. Man, she really care about that guy. I feel jealous again. Nah, I feel lonely. It's okay. Life is hard. But life is fun. If you can get pass through the grind, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Life can be pretty enjoyable. If if you're satisfied with the things you have, things can be really, really enjoyable. Man, these things, freaking son of a gun. Slowest boss. Come on, I need to kill more. More. Explosion! Boo! Let's do this. Look at this. We'll do this in the next episode. Ow! Ow! Freak you! No! Freak you! Stay away. Let me do my outro. Freak you. I'll try to make an outro. He threw a freaking arrow at me. So, I know it's a little bit short than usual, but this is just temporary, okay? If I make episodes short, 20 minutes, something like that, it's usually I'm trying to fix something or doing something. But don't worry, it won't be consistent. I promise. It will be I'll get back to the long duration episodes. So, thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoy my video, you can always hit that like button. And again, thank you as always. See you again. My my outro is all over the place. So, see you again, you beautiful son of a guns, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Next time. Goodbye. Oh, seriously, my eyes. My eyes!